Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your Dropship IO account. If you are looking to close your account for any reason, this video is for you. Dropship IO is a powerful tool for the product research and the sales tracking. By sometimes you might need to delete your account. Whether you are no longer using the service or just want to clean up your online presence, deleting your account is a straightforward. To delete your Dropship IO account, you will need to follow this step. Log into your Dropship IO account, click on your name in the upper left corner of the dashboard. Select Manage Account. Look for the option to delete or close your account. Unfortunately, Dropship IO does not provide a direct delete account button, so you might need to contact their support team for assistance. If you are unable to find the delete option, you can reach out to Dropship iOS support team via their contact page. They should be able to guide you through the process. Then that's it. Deleting your Dropship IO account might require a bit of the extra effort but it's doable. If you found this video helpful, please consider linking and subscribing for more tech related problem solving contents.